In this video, we will discuss how to write a recipe. A recipe is a set of instructions to help you to prepare food. Let's have a look at the elements of a recipe. First of all, there is the title. This is the name of the dish you can prepare using the recipe. For example, chocolate chip cookies. Secondly, there is the equipment. This means all the things you need in order to cook, like a bowl, spoon, baking tin, or a whisk. Then there are the ingredients. What food items do we need to make the dish? For example, chocolate, milk, eggs, sugar, and flour. Last but not least, there are the instructions on how to create the dish. For example, which ingredients go first? Do you need to stir, whisk, or knead it? And how long does it have to be in the oven for? The instructions usually start with a verb. They are also ordered in a chronological order. You can watch this video at any time.